Hello everyone, I am Anushka and I am in the oppose of the topic that the homework should be banned. I am saying no, the homework should not be banned because the homework, if students will get homework, they will have the time, they will learn that how to manage their time. They will manage their time accordingly that when to do homework, when to play, when to go out and all. So let's hear his.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am in favor that homework should be banned. Now Anushka said that with the homework the student learn by manage the time. See, in 24 hours the 7 to 8 hours is of only of school, and of 8 hours a student take a sleep, that is also 16 hours. Now for 2 hours student have to play. Now the 18 hour is spent. Now the students spends a family time, that is of 1 hour, then the its 19 hour is complete. Now the student is eat something for in whole day for 1 or 2 hours, that is 21 hours, and in the rest 3 hours the student have to rest some in day, and that is 2 hours. So in 1 hour what the student do? Is it do only homework or do other activity?
The students are also getting Sundays, so they can do their other some more skills classes or other out classes like other badminton classes, dance classes. They can do that on Sundays. Mostly that are on Sundays only. So they can improve their skills mostly on Sundays and give some less time to the skills on the weekdays and give more times on the weekend days. So what's your opinion?
My opinion is that for Sunday we wait for the skills, but if the we say that we do all the work on the Sunday, that the teacher is give us punishment because the teacher say that do all the work from day to day.
Yes, that's what I am saying, that the students should do their homework daily in a time span, and in the Sundays they can do their extra skill activities. For that only the most of the classes are having in Saturdays and Sundays extra classes like skills classes, and the normal class days they can have less time for their skills and give some little time to for their playing, and on the Sundays they have the whole day to do their to give time to their family, to give time to their friends, playing skills and all the things.
But some teachers on Sunday also giving the extra work because the teachers say that you have Sunday and Saturday also. So you give a lot. So the teacher give a lot of work for a student.
They can complete the homework on the Saturdays only. And one more thing, with the homework, it improves the consistency of the child. The child's concentration improves in when they sit to do their homework, when they sit 1 or 2 hours for their self-study. Without the help of teacher, parents, they are doing their questions. When they do questions correct by themselves, they get a lot of confidence inside them. What's your opinion?
My opinion is you say that the doubt is clear by when the student do homework and self study at home, then the query is solved by the teachers. So the solution is the teachers increase the time of the school because our parents give the fee for the 100% of the child education. So why do the teachers do not do 100% education on school? Why they depend on the home that the student do homework?
Because in the class there are many students, 40, 50, 60. There is no fixed number. There are a lot of students, and the teacher cannot ask every student that what's your doubt, what's your doubt, what's your doubt. But on the next day when the student will solve their homeworks, maths and science questions, especially at home, on the next day they will raise their hands and ask the questions. Then the teacher will get know that who is studying at home, who is learning, who is more dedicated towards his or her studies.
So that's why I say na that the teachers or the principal increase the school timing so that all the students have teachers have give the time after teaching 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and after that if anyone have a doubt so they can ask from the teachers.
But in the school time, when the students are with their friends, and then when the students are, then that time, at the time mainly, mostly of the students talk with their friends. And one more thing is that the teacher, and that only in 15 minutes, only in 20 minutes, and only in 1 hour, the student cannot get all of his doubts at that time. Because at that time, they will hesitate and ask from their friends only that what will this answer of this.
See, that the student who don't want to study, he don't study at home, don't study at school. But the student who want to study, he, if the student also don't get homework, he, and you say that the group, the all, mostly students are talk in group, and I want to say, Anushka, that the group study is the, I think the group study is the most powerful study, because in that the friends are in the group, and they if anyone have a small doubt, he can solve it. But if all the students have doubt, that they can go to the teacher.
That's what I'm saying, that in the school, the students mainly start talking with each other. But they, yes, I agree that the students study, but majorly students are talking with each other about whole the world. Means they are talking about anything else. And if they will do the homework, because after school, what we will do? They will do means after completing their schools, then also they have to do their homework by themselves. They have to do self study, and if they will do it from the early age, it will become their habit. They will know that how to study by their own. And if after age, after schools, they will get like, wow, what, how can we do our homework now, how we learn now, because at the time of the college no teacher is going to tell them. So they have to learn from the early age that how to study.
Now, if the student get so many homework, and he, I tell you before some time the routine of the student, and if the student do homework at 3 or 4 hours, and then after what will be the family time? A student don't give the 50% of the students are not giving the perfect family time for the family. That creates many that creates many d- that creates many sadness for the parents, because the student don't share the things for the education.
But the students, yes, I agree with your point that they are getting a lot of homework. This is the point of teachers, that they should give less homework. And this is what we all want to say, we both want to say, that the homework should be given in a not much. They should get the homework according to the students, that they should not give a lot of homework. They should, the teacher should have in mind that they are the small students and they should not give a lot of homework, but the students should do their homework daily. And this is all we both want to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Anushka and Chirayu, for giving your valuable importance on this topic. Clapping.